Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The best of where you are watching me for, guys. It's me again, your friend, your sister, your girl. For those of you who are just seeing me for the first time, this is Beauty Egareva. You are highly welcome to my channel, guys. Please, if you are just passing by, you come across this channel, please don't fail to hit that red subscribe button. If you are subscribed before, I say thank you so much. May the Almighty God continue to bless you. So guys, today's video, I just want to quickly share with you this my beautiful and amazing recipe. This my homemade remedy, yes guys, to get rid of that strong cough, catarrh and cold. Yes, even fever. So guys, it's just a 3 ingredient that I had together. Here is clove. As you can see, I'm grating my ginger. I've washed it, as you can see me doing there. So now I'm just grating it. So just watch me, guys, the way I do it. So, guys, this remedy, hey, oh, if I said it works, hey, just believe me. Before 94 days, you will see the results. If you have cough, catarrh, cold, fever, everybody that have fever now, they'll say if you go to a chemist to go and do test, they'll say it's coronavirus. No, that year, if you are sick in Africa, you take agbo, your body will hurt, strong fever. That time coronavirus is not existing that time. So guys, just try and take this beautiful juice. Yes, this beautiful juice. Just watch guys, you see the results. Thank you so much. So I've done grated the ginger. Now I'm going to add water to it. So the MS filter and the little pot, the small pot I want to use to boil. I want to sieve. As you can see me doing here, I'm sieving the juice. So just watch me. Yes guys. So after sieving the juice, you see, look at the juice, very beautiful. I'm going to add a clove to it. I'm going to add some clove to the juice, the ginger juice, guys, before we start cooking. So after the clove, guys, I will add my lemon. I'll add my lemon juice together before we start cooking our juice. So here is my lemon juice. The one that I had, this one is liquid. If you have the other one, you can use it. It's not compulsory that you must have this liquid one, or anyone you have can serve you guys. Yes, so I just added the lemon juice to it. So as you can see, we'll start cooking. Here is our juice is ready. See the way it's boiling. I'm going to pour it into my jar, cover it. So anybody you want to serve, you can grab your glass cup, just pour a little. So guys, this juice adult can take it, even kids, the amount you can give to your daughter, your child, guys. Yes, this one I want to give it to my daughter, so I'm pouring it into my little glass cup. So I will add honey to it. Yeah, me, I will drink mine, but I'm not going to use honey. So I just want to add honey to our own. Sorry guys, if you have a stomach ulcer because of the ginger, I don't think the juice is good for you. Yeah, no, ginger hurts and stomach ulcer as well. So any hot thing, they are not together. So this one is for my girl. So I want to give it to her before I will serve mine. So guys, thank you so much. If you love watching this video, if you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to share and give me a thumbs up. Drop your comment for the comment section below. If you make this juice at home, guys, you are going to love it, honestly. Yes, you are going to love it. Yeah, I'm on to serve mine. As you can see the juice, look at it in the jar. Very beautiful. It look like it look like orange juice, orange and drink, guys. You see, it's very beautiful and it's really helpful. Just go and try it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Till I come wait next time, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Remain blessed, stay safe, guys. One love, guys. I love you all so much. Bye bye.